Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make the perfect roux for gumbo. A roux is a fundamental cooking technique, combining fat and flour to create a rich base. For gumbo, we are aiming for a deep, dark color that provides incredible flavor and thickening power. This process requires a bit of time and attention, but the delicious results are absolutely worth the effort. Let's get started on this essential culinary journey. To begin, gather your simple ingredients and essential tools. You'll need equal parts fat and all-purpose flour. For the fat, vegetable oil, butter, or even bacon grease work wonderfully, each lending a slightly different flavor profile. A heavy-bottomed pot or a cast-iron skillet is crucial for even heat distribution. And don't forget a sturdy whisk or wooden spoon for continuous stirring, which is vital for success. Now let's get cooking. Start by heating your chosen fat over medium-low heat until it shimmers gently. Then, gradually whisk in the flour, ensuring there are no lumps. The most important step here is to stir continuously. This prevents burning and ensures your roux cooks evenly. You'll cook this mixture for anywhere from 20 to 45 minutes, aiming for a beautiful, dark chocolate color. The color of your roux dictates its flavor and use. A light peanut butter-colored roux is great for gravies, while a copper penny hue adds more depth. For gumbo, we want a deep, dark chocolate or coffee color which provides that signature rich, nutty flavor. Your finished roux should be smooth and pourable, not thick or lumpy. Once it reaches this stage, it's ready for your delicious gumbo.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.